How to fix video thumbnail not showing on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open File Explorer on your device. Go to the folder in which you are not able to see the thumbnail of videos and files. Go to the three dots at the top right corner. Then after you will see the option of Options. Simply click on it. Then after from the menu, go to View and toggle off the feature of Always Show Icon Never Thumbnail. Once you turn off this feature, click on Apply and then OK. After that you will be able to see thumbnail of your files. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.